case you were wondering how the cat turned out from the last video. Turned out pretty great. Oh! Oh God! I just shocked myself. Oh. I just shocked myself. Obviously, I'm a newbie when it comes to welding, so instead of depending solely on a weld to hold the suspension onto the truck, I'm going to be drilling a hole right here so I can actually bolt it on as well through the leaf spring hanger. So that way I'm getting two types of connections there. I'll just record this one, boring everybody recording the others. feel like I shouldn't be using these. Hitachi doesn't exist anymore. These are like going to be collectibles one day. It's always raining. Alright, shocks are in. End up here, left myself some space in case I need to adjust them. We'll see, depending on how this thing sits once all the weight's on it. I'm not really sure how this setup's going to react to that. But I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll get the correct hardware for it here in the near future, and these are just placeholder bolts and stuff. I didn't put washers in there or anything. Next step's going to be taking everything off, painting the frame, putting everything back on. I need to grind these off nice and smooth, put some new brackets to hold the brake line, and then I'll start running brake lines and fuel lines and all that good stuff. It's a little tall now. You can see it kind of sits. Let me get even with the tire here. So it basically sits right on top of the tire, the frame. So it's going to be a little high, a little higher than typical. I'll try to insert a picture here that I'm kind of envisioning as far as height goes. See, like this is what a typical truck, what it would look like, I guess, from the factory. And then this is kind of what I'm envisioning, something a little taller. I like that look a little better, so I'm trying to aim for something like that. But we'll see how it turns out. All right, well, thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.